name's Smokey Mirror, if you didn't know. You can check me, Smokey Mirror 9 on MySpace. This is the last one for today. This is what I like to do most. This is a freestyle, so I have nothing written. Check, check. I gotta give it up to Nima Fadavi for this beat. So I grabbed the microphone and I remember the days where I couldn't even make a dope song at my home. Now me and my friends go out to another dimension. We bring something back to this earth, and this verse what an ill verse. And people feel that we relieve the curse that was coming on your shoulders like a heavy burden. I'm learning what I need to do and show mad love to all of you in every way I can. With the microphone in my hand, I came with a master plan to help everyone expand. Any way I can, I came through with a master plan to help everybody expand in awareness like Eckhart Tolle. I found a meaning for my soul. How I show this on the microphone, I don't even need to have a brew, and I'm still buzzing on the high. When I show you how we can all reach beyond the sky, there's a reason why to show love before you die. So listen to this one more time when I try to bring this to you the best that I can. Smokey, I'm just one man with the mic in my hand. I said to bring this to you the best way that I can. Smokey, just one man with a mic in his hand. But still I understand what I need to do. Bring the knowledge to you. And now I'm coming back. Gotta give it up to my friend Mr. Luke O'Harn in the back helping us set up. Gotta give it up to my friend Dizzy on the camcorder. Gotta give it up to everybody out there, all my fans. I hope that we all understand what we can do to make our dreams come true. I said I hope we all can understand what we need to do to make our dreams come true. All you need is that energy inside you. That's the potential waiting to help you. Just flow with the river and feel that everything comes true. Finally you're living your dreams that you only dreamt about. No doubt I gotta give this out to P.O.P. and all the rest of the people who know me. We show up at AP, we're rocking a dope set. Me and Dizzy and all these people that you might come to know when you come to hear it at the next show. At the next show, how we all grow up to the sky and way past. Ever since the first class, up to the sky and way past. I'm giving this on the microphone, Smokey sure to last. I said up to the sky and way past that. I gotta bring it back. Last verse, I'm here to do what I can here. I never really went to church much, but I still found the Lord inside. And when I show this, I show everybody that it's true. Spiritual is more important than material. One day you might find it. I remind kids that life ain't all material bullshit. You need to know this. Grow with it and feel it inside yourself. When you get a chance to, just close your mind and close your eyes too, and realize the love lies deep inside you. When you show it, it expands like a wave. How we came to save mental slaves every time I get a chance. Oh, it's just me with my baggy pants, as sharp as a lance when I advance to the dragon's lair and stare him right in the eye. I try to come through with my mic like a sword, so that I can fight for what I believe as I receive the message and express it the best of it for all the island chicks. As I express this, the best of it for all the island chicks like tight pants. You know, I might have another chance to make them dance a bit. Nobody's just another island misfit. And I hope that it did fit. Woo! Thank you. Next up, we got my friend Frantic Peace. Everyone ready for Frantic Peace?
Frantic Peace!